Method of variation of parameters. This is a method for producing a particular solution to a non-homogeneous equation by exploiting the solutions of associated homogeneous equation. Here we consider a second order differential equation of the form y2 dash plus p of x into y dash plus q of x into y equal to r of x. Let this be labeled as equation 1. Then the corresponding homogeneous equation will be obtained by substituting r of x equal to 0. Then we get y2 dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x y equal to 0. Now assume that the general solution of this homogeneous equation is given by the relation y is equal to a into y1 of x plus b into y2 of x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. This means that this relation is the complementary function of equation 1. Now we assume that a particular integral of 1 is given by the relation y0 of x equal to v1 of x into y1 of x plus v2 of x into y2 of x. Here we have replaced a and b in this relation with v1 of x and v2 of x respectively. Then y0 dash, the derivative of y0 will be equal to v1 dash of x into y1 of x plus v1 of x into y1 dash of x. Using product rule, we can differentiate the second term also as v2 dash of x into y2 of x plus v2 of x into y2 dash of x. Now for convenience, we assume that v1 dash into y1 plus v2 dash into y2 is equal to 0. We label this relation as equation 4. Applying this relation, y0 dash is reduced to the form v1 into y1 dash plus v2 into y2 dash. This implies that the second derivative y0 2 dash is equal to v1 into y1 2 dash plus v1 dash into y1 dash plus v2 into y2 double dash plus v2 dash into y2 dash. Substituting the values of y0 double dash, y0 dash and y0 in equation 1, we get y0 double dash plus p of x into y0 dash plus q of x into y0 is equal to r of x, since y0 is a particular solution of equation 1. Thus we get this relation. Now for convenience, we rearrange the terms on LHS by grouping together those terms containing v1 and those terms containing v2 as follows. Here, since y1 and y2 are solutions of equation 2, that is our associated homogeneous equation, we have the relations y1 double dash plus p of x into y1 dash plus q of x into y1 will be equal to 0. Similarly, since y2 is a solution of the homogeneous equation, we have y2 double dash plus p of x into y2 dash plus q of x into y1 equal to 0. Substituting these relations in the above equation, we have v1 into 0 plus v2 into 0 plus v1 dash into y1 dash plus v2 dash into y2 dash equal to r of x. Thus we get the relation v1 dash into y1 plus v2 dash into y2 is equal to 0, and v1 dash into y1 dash plus v2 dash into y2 dash equal to r of x. This relation is obtained from the previous equation, and this is obtained from our equation 4. Now using Cramer's rule, using the method of determinants, we have the values of unknowns is given by this relation. Here v1 dash and v2 dash are the unknowns. We can solve these two equations to obtain the values of v1 dash and v2 dash. Then we can integrate v1 dash and v2 dash to obtain the values of v1 and v2. Our particular solution will be obtained as y is equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2. Now, the solution of this set of equations is given by this relation. v1 dash divided by this determinant is equal to v2 dash by this determinant and is equal to 1 by determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. This determinant is known as the Wronskian of the functions y1 and y2. So we substitute this as 1 by w. On simplifying the determinants, we have the relation v1 dash is equal to 0 minus y2 into r. That is v1 dash divided by minus y2 r is equal to v2 dash divided by y1 into r is equal to 1 by Wronskian w. So that v1 dash is equal to minus r y2 divided by w and v2 dash is equal to r y1 by w. Then v1 and v2 can be determined by integrating these two relations. Now let us summarize the working rule as follows. Step 1 consists of rewriting the given equation in the form y2 dash plus p of x into y dash plus q of x into y equal to r of x. Step 2 is to consider the corresponding homogeneous equation by substituting RHS equal to 0 and then to find the general solution in the form y is equal to a into y1 of x plus b into y2 of x. Then we assume that y naught equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2 gives the particular solution of the given equation where v1 and v2 are unknown functions to be determined. Then we solve the equations v1 dash y1 plus v2 dash y2 equal to 0 and v1 dash into y1 dash plus v2 dash into y2 dash equal to r of x. Then the values of v1 and v2 are given by this formula. v1 is equal to integral of minus r y2 by w with respect to x and v2 is equal to integral of r y1 by w with respect to x. Now let us consider an example where the given differential equation is y2 dash plus 4y equal to tan x. Then the corresponding homogeneous equation will be y2 dash plus 4y equal to 0 and its auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 is equal to 0, which gives m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Hence the complementary function is y is equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Therefore we assume that our particular solution is y naught equal to v1 into cos 2x plus v2 into sin 2x. Here note that y1 is equal to cos 2x and y2 is equal to sin 2x. Then the Wronskian is given by the determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, which is equal to 2 cos square 2x plus 2 sin square 2x, which is equal to 2 since cos square 2x plus sin square 2x is equal to 1. So the Wronskian is equal to 2. Then v1 is obtained from the formula minus integral r y2 by w dx, where r is equal to tan 2x and y2 is equal to sin 2x, w is equal to 2. Substituting these values, we get the integral minus 1 by 2 into integral of sin square 2x into sec 2x dx, where sin square 2x can be expressed as 1 minus cos square 2x, so that the integrand will be sec 2x minus cos 2x. We can split the integral as minus 1 by 2 into integral of sec 2x plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2x. For convenience, we did the substitution t is equal to 2x. Then dx will be equal to dt by 2. So we get the relation minus 1 by 2 into integral of sec t dt by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral of cos t dt by 2. We know that integral of sec t is log of sec t plus tan t and integral of cos t is sin t. Thus we get v1 as this function. Similarly, v2 is obtained by the formula integral of r y1 by w with respect to x, where r is tan 2x, y1 is cos 2x. Tan 2x into cos 2x is sin 2x. So we get v2 is equal to integral of sin 2x by 2 dx. So the function v2 is obtained as minus 1 by 4 into cos 2x. Hence, the particular integral of the given equation, that is the particular solution, is given by v1 by 1 plus v2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 4 into log of sec 2x plus tan 2x minus sin 2x into cos 2x minus 1 by 4 into cos 2x into sin 2x. Here minus 1 by 4 into minus sin 2x into cos 2x will be equal to plus 1 by 4 sin 2x cos 2x, and this term is minus 1 by 4 cos 2x sin 2x. Those two terms are cancelled, so the function will be equal to the first term minus 1 by 4 into log of sec 2x plus tan 2x into cos 2x.